obsession. You move through me like a distant dream, a quiet fire beneath my skin. Beautiful ache, obsession, my obsession, deep under my skin. My obsession, I'm breathing you in. My obsession, a beautiful ache. My obsession, in every breath I take. My body understands, like a distant melody running through my veins. Every time you're near, I lose myself again, closer to the feeling, closer to your flame. You are my obsession, the air I'm breathing in. My obsession, the pull I feel beneath my skin. Beautiful ache, obsession, my obsession, deep under my skin. My obsession, I'm breathing you in. My obsession, a beautiful ache. My obsession, in every breath I take.
Touching, just the thought becomes a flame. You live inside the spaces where my heart whispers your name. I try to fight the feeling, but it never fades away. Like waves against the shoreline, you keep pulling me away.
You're the rhythm in my heartbeat, the echo in my mind, the shadow in the moonlight,
the dream I cannot hide.
Every breath, every moment, every step, every night. You are my obsession, the air I'm breathing in. My obsession, the pull I feel beneath my skin. You are my obsession, the fire that's running through my veins, a quiet heat, a beautiful obsession, my obsession, deep under my skin. My obsession, I'm breathing you in. My obsession, a beautiful lake. My obsession, in every breath I take.